In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a trading strategy based on the BBKC Squeeze in TradingView Pro quick and easy guide. First, make sure you have your TradingView chart open and that you are on the market and time frame you want to analyze. It can be any asset or time frame, the process will be exactly the same. Once your chart is ready and you can clearly see the candles, move your attention to the top of the screen where the main toolbar is located. At the top, you'll see a button labeled Indicators. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and add all kinds of tools to your chart. This is the main hub for building your trading setup inside TradingView. Inside this window, look for the search bar, usually at the top of the panel. Click into the search bar so your cursor is active there. This search bar lets you quickly find specific indicators or strategies without scrolling through long lists, which saves you a lot of time. Now, in that search bar, carefully type trading strategy based on BBKC Squeeze. Take a second to make sure you spell it correctly, so TradingView can find the exact script you are looking for. As you type, TradingView will start suggesting results below. When you see the strategy named Trading Strategy based on BBKC Squeeze appear in the list, click on it once. The moment you click it, the strategy will be added directly to your chart. You should now see additional visual elements overlaid on your candles, such as entry and exit markers, along with performance data that TradingView shows for strategies. This means the script is active and running on your current symbol and time frame. Next, you will want to customize it to fit your preferences. On your chart, move your cursor to the name of the strategy, which you will usually find at the top left above the price area. Beside the strategy name, you will see a small gear icon. Click on this gear icon to open the settings window for the BBKC Squeeze strategy. In the settings panel, you can adjust inputs such as lengths, multipliers, or other parameters provided by the script, as well as change style options like colors and how signals are displayed. Take a moment to review these settings, tweak them to match your trading plan, and then click OK or close the window to apply your changes. Now, the trading strategy based on BBKC Squeeze is fully added and customized in your TradingView Pro chart, ready for you to test, refine, and incorporate into your trading workflow.